sun-soaked island of Santorini, being a part of history itself at the 12,000-year-old Acropolis, or the unforgettable Mediterranean diet, Greece is where you come for the beauty but stay for the magic. So here we are to walk you through every step of getting a Greek Schengen visa for Indian tourists. These are the documents that you must keep ready before applying for a Greek visa. A passport which should be valid for at least 3 months beyond your Schengen exit and have at least 2 blank pages. A complete Schengen visa application, 2 recent passport-size photographs, a travel medical insurance valid across the Schengen area with a minimum coverage of 30,000 euros, a travel itinerary which includes your flight reservations, accommodations, etc., bank statements for the last 3 months, 2 years of ITR, 3 months of salary slips, an NOC from your employer, and business proof if you are self-employed. Self-employed, retired, or applicants who are minors may be required to provide additional supporting documents. The list of documents is mentioned in the description box below, so you can refer to it before applying. Now that your documents have been settled in one place, follow these steps to apply for a Greek tourist visa easily. Open the Atlys app or website, search for Greece and tap Start Now. Verify your phone number by entering the one-time password or continue through Google. Enter your full name and mention whether you are traveling solo or with others. Select who is going to sponsor your trip. Select your marital status as well as your current employment status. Enter your current address or use our autofill feature by simply searching your address on the map. Enter your passport details. Enter your employer details, choose an appointment date and your nearest appointment center, then choose your tentative travel dates and the countries you plan to visit. These can be updated later as well. Finally, make the payment and you're all set. After payment, an Atlys visa expert will organize all your paperwork. On the day of your appointment, visit the visa application center, provide your biometrics, and submit all your prepared documents. In order to ensure you have all your required documents, pause and take a screenshot of what you'll submit. The standard processing time is 15 calendar days after the submission of your documents at the embassy or consulate. You can apply at least 3 months before your planned travel dates, and we recommend planning in advance. Once your visa is approved, your passport stamped with your Greece visa will be delivered right to your doorstep. Now let's discuss some common questions that you may have about getting a Greek visa. Am I eligible to visit other Schengen countries with my Greek Schengen visa? Yes, you are eligible to visit all 29 Schengen countries with your Greek Schengen visa. Just make sure you enter Greece first or stay in Greece for the longest. Can I land in France or any other Schengen country first with my Greek Schengen visa? Yes, you can land in France or any other Schengen country with your Greek Schengen visa. Just keep in mind, however, that you will be required to stay in Greece the longest. How long can I stay in Schengen area with my Greek Schengen visa? You can stay in the Schengen area for a maximum of 90 days in any period of 180 days. Apply at least 4 to 6 weeks before your travel date, especially during peak seasons like summers, June to August, and December holidays. Always book your appointment in your city of residence. You can check appointment dates on the Atlys appointment tracker linked in the description below. If you have given Schengen biometrics in the last 59 months, you may not need to submit them again. Double check that your flight bookings, hotel reservations, and financial documents match your travel dates. Carry sufficient funds for your trip. The embassy will review your financial records against your planned itinerary and accommodations. Visiting your dream countries has never been easier. With Atlys, we are taking the hectic path, filing paperwork, booking appointments, and getting your passport delivered right to your doorstep once it's approved, so that you can spend all your time and energy having the experience of a lifetime in Greece. Apply with Atlys, link in the description.